our planet. This beautiful blue marble spinning in the vastness of space is a true wonder. It is the only home we have ever known, a world teeming with life in countless, breathtaking forms. It provides the very air we breathe, the clean water we drink, and the rich soil that grows our food. For millennia, Earth has offered us everything we need to survive and to thrive. It has gifted us with shimmering oceans, towering forests, and sprawling plains, each a delicate system working in harmony. But this balance faces unprecedented challenges, and our home is showing signs of strain. The climate is changing in ways we can no longer ignore. We see it in warmer seasons, more intense storms, and melting ice at the poles. Our oceans absorb much of this warmth, their chemistry changing, putting pressure on marine life, from the smallest coral to the largest whale. Our countdown begins with number 7, use less plastic, a simple, powerful shift. Plastic convenience became a global persistence problem, reaching trenches and the highest peaks. It chokes waterways and harms wildlife, breaking down into microplastics that contaminate soil and water. We can turn the tide together. Choose reusables whenever possible. Carry a reusable bag. One small act, countless bags avoided. Number 6, save energy at home. Electricity often comes from burning fossil fuels, so being mindful matters. Turn off lights when leaving a room, upgrade to LEDs, and unplug idle electronics. Lower demand means cleaner air for everyone. Number 5, eat for the earth. Food choices affect planetary health. Add more plant-based meals. Reduce meat consciously. Try meat-free Mondays to start. Small dietary shifts lower your carbon footprint. Livestock is land, water, and emissions intensive. Focus on local food. Buy in season, closer to home. Food miles add up by truck, ship, and plane. Transport pollution increases our footprint. Local markets reduce miles and support your economy. Choosing seasonal further cuts impact. Lower emissions, stronger communities. Number 4, move smarter. Cars and trucks are major emitters. Rethink commutes and errands. Walk for short trips or ride a bike when you can. Use buses and trains for longer distances. Fewer cars, cleaner air, healthier lives. Revisit number 6 with heating and cooling. Lower the heat a degree in winter and add a layer for comfort. Raise AC a couple degrees in summer and use fans. These tweaks ease grid strain and pollution. Food and energy choices shape a sustainable future. From breakfast to lighting to travel, it all connects. Choose local food. Embrace smarter travel. Moderate home energy. These are intelligent, fulfilling ways to live in harmony. Small, consistent actions become lasting change. Number 3, save water. Clean water is finite and energy-intensive to treat, pump, and heat. Turn off the tap. Small moments save liters each day. Fix leaks to stop silent waste. Conserving protects ecosystems and shrinks your energy footprint. Number 2, help nature where you live. Create habitat in backyards, balconies, and shared spaces. Plant natives. Trees, shrubs, flowers. Natives support local insects and wildlife with food and shelter. Small patches connect corridors, cool streets, and clean air. When driving is needed, lessen impact. Share rides with friends, neighbors, colleagues. Combine errands, save time, fuel, and pollution. Saving water, nurturing nature, and thoughtful driving weave sustainability into daily life. A water-wise garden becomes a sanctuary. Shared commutes cut emissions and build community. Tend your small corner with care. Number 1, speak up and act together. Share your steps, successes, and challenges. Invite others to join. Organize local action. Many hands, visible change. Use your voice and vote for a healthier planet. This journey is about progress, not purity. The key is to start. Pick one action you can do this week. Bring a reusable cup, take a shorter shower. Once it becomes habit, add another. Make a plan and share goals to stay motivated. Every small step is a victory. Millions of small choices become a force to heal Earth. Cumulative acts create the shift we need. The Earth is a gift. our cradle, provider, and sanctuary. It gives us everything and asks for our care. We stand at a unique moment. We know the challenges and can solve them. Embrace responsibility with optimism and determination. Be the generation that chose to act, to heal, to build a hopeful future. Start today. Make one small change. Be part of the countdown to action. Every step leads to a healthier, more vibrant planet for all. Together, we protect the only home we have.